robot showing what? You don't wanna.
I don't need any robots getting in my girl.
You mean you don't want a robot showing girl robot?
Forget it, Roll. I'm it.
What are you doing with those, Dr. Wily? You were supposed to...
My genius.
Now I'm sure it's the... Now I'm sure it's the... You're right. Rock and roll.
Don't forget your Megaman.
Dr. Wily's robots are taking over Dr. Wily's...
Megaman's gonna need my man. Need robots, Doctor.
Roll.
You're just my genius.
I hate everything.
Pinch.
Maybe you should plant some more fish into your robots, Dr. Wily.